Hello everyone. If you have appeared for GATE 2026 and are waiting to download your result and scorecard, this video is for you. In this complete step-by-step guide, I'll show you the official result date, how to download your GATE 2026 scorecard, free and paid download deadlines, and what to do after downloading it. So make sure you watch till the end to avoid paying unnecessary fees. Let's get started. First, let's quickly look at the important dates. The GATE 2026 exam was held on February 7th, 8th, 14th and 15th. The official results will be released on March 19, 2026. The free scorecard download period will start from March 2027 and last till May 31st, 2026. After May 31st, downloading the scorecard will cost you 500 per paper. The paid download window will open from June 1st to December 31st, 2026. Next is how to download your GATE scorecard. The first step is to visit the official website. You can go to gate2026.iitg.ac.in or directly access the GOAPS portal at goaps.iitg.ac.in. After accessing the portal, you have to log in with your credentials. You have to enter the GATE enrollment ID or your registered email ID, then enter your password and CAPTCHA verification. After that, click on the login button. After logging in, you will reach the personal GATE dashboard. On your dashboard, you have to look for the option that says download the GATE 2026 scorecard. Click on that option and your scorecard will open in PDF format. Download and save it securely. I strongly recommend saving it in your laptop, Google Drive, and even taking a printed copy. You will need this for admissions and PSU recruitment. What are the details mentioned on your scorecard? Firstly, your personal details like your name, your photograph, registration ID. Second, your GATE score, All India rank. Your normalized score will be out of 1000. Third, your qualifying marks. This shows the qualifying cutoff for your paper. Make sure you carefully verify all the details after downloading. Now, free versus paid download for the GATE results. Most students might miss it, so you have to be very cautious about the dates. You can download your scorecard absolutely free from March 27 to March 31st, 2026. From June 1st to December 31st, you will have to pay Rs 500 per paper. So download it early and save your money. Now what to do after downloading the scorecard? First is your M.Tech admissions. You can use the GATE score for COAP or CCMT counselings. Second is for PSU recruitments. Many public sector undertakings recruit candidates through GATE scores. Third, you must keep multiple choices. You must maintain both digital and printed copies for admissions, job applications or future verifications. So that's how easily you can download your GATE result and scorecard. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it and subscribe for more GATE updates, counseling guidance and admission tips. If you have any questions about the GATE results, score validity or counseling, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you.